Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to make cauliflower porial. So this is 250 grams of chopped cauliflower. So now take a vessel, heat the water, add cauliflower and salt, boil it just for 2 minutes, then strain it. We no need to use this water. Then cut one big onion and one tomato, 4-5 pieces of garlic, little curry leaf, cooking oil, salt, chili powder, turmeric powder, fennel seed. So now on the stove, heat the pan, pour 5 to 6 tablespoons of cooking oil, add fennel seed, put the garlic, cook it, then add the chopped big onions, then add chopped tomato, cook it nicely, add curry leaf, add required amount of salt, close it with the lid so that onion tomato will get cooked nicely. Add turmeric powder, chili powder according to your taste, mix it and add the boiled cauliflower to this masala. Add little water and close it with the lid. Keep it in sim for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Now the cauliflower porial is ready. This is a lunch recipe and you can even keep in bread also. You also try.